Rich, creamy, and so delicious. This creamed spinach is very flavorful, made with fresh spinach, and is perfect as a side dish. If you don't know, spinach is a leafy green vegetable that has a lot of benefits in the body. For example, it has lots of vitamins and minerals, and also it helps in the immune system since it has vitamin E and magnesium. And if you're pregnant, it has lots of folate that you need in your body so that the baby can develop the brain while in the womb. So there's so many other benefits that I've not mentioned, but trust me, you have to try or include spinach in your diet. You're going to get started by blanching your spinach. So in a pan, I'm going to add in my spinach. And using a spatula, you're going to move the spinach around as it cooks. This process is usually fast, so it's been around a minute and my spinach is fully blanched. So I'm going to transfer to a bowl. You're going to let the spinach cool for around a minute and then you're going to squeeze out the water. To your pan, you're going to add in some cooking oil, drop in a knob of butter, that is about a tablespoon of butter. Adding butter to the pan is going to add a very nice flavor to the creamed spinach. When it comes, add in some onions that I've diced. And over medium heat, you're going to cook the onions until translucent. When it comes to spices, you're going to add in some black pepper, which is going to add a very nice kick of spiciness, and nutmeg, which adds a very nutty taste to the spinach that is good in a very nice way. Also, I'm going to be adding in a seasoning cube, stirring everything together. Next, I'm going to add in my spinach. Stir in the spinach together with the spices. And remember, the seasoning cube has salt, so I'm going to add a little bit more salt to fully season my spinach. To your spinach, you're going to add in half a cup of cooking cream. Toss everything together so that the spinach can be coated with the delicious cream. I'm going to add in some more salt to fully season my spinach. Toss everything together and cook the spinach for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you're going to put out the flames and the spinach is ready to serve. Trust me, when you make this creamed spinach for your family will always enjoy some delicious spinach because it's packed with flavor and just so good.